a smartphone that can play intensive 3D games. Also a great productivity tool for office work through desktop mode. Yes, this is the latest smartphone that I own, HUAWEI P50, a masterpiece for photography with professional grade color accuracy. Alright, let's have a look at the productivity functions first. One of the best features that I like, display output through USB-C port. Yes, you can connect P50 to a large TV screen easily through wired. Ultra fast and free for input latency like wireless mode. In addition, it will fast charge your smartphone at the same time too. Mirror mode is a simple and easy way to use. It will display everything from your P50 to the large screen. Great for sharing presentation in a meeting. You can also use it to surf the internet as well. Just connect to your office projector. Will do. Of course, it does not limit to office work only. You can use it for entertainment as well. Connect your P50 to your TV and you can start to enjoy your favorite movie then. That's not all. HUAWEI P50 is also your personal desktop PC. Instead of mirroring your smartphone screen, it will output desktop interface now. For this demo, I'm using P50 as the input through touchscreen. You can connect Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. That will be the perfect combo for office work. It's just like using Windows PC from now on. How about gaming? Working smoothly with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. Just check out these 3 games that I play daily. Well, that's all for the quick hands-on. A detailed Huawei P50 review will be up soon. Stay tuned for that. See ya!